Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can join a class on Google Classroom. So the first thing that you need to make sure is that you're logged into your Google account. And you also need to make sure that you use the Google account that the school gave you in case they gave you one. Other than that, what you need to do is just type in Google Classroom, which should take you to this page, and just hit the plus icon which says create or join your first classes. Here we're going to select the join class button, and now you should enter the class's specific code. You can't enter the class without that code. Your teacher or your colleagues may give you that code, and once you've done that, the only thing left for you to do is just click the join button, which will be available if the link you entered is correct. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.